Hello and welcome, as it is that of the 15th day of August 2018. My name is Derek. This is the Money Charts channel and the Crypto Day Morning. Like always, all trades, bets, and of the like within your own risk, own reward. And within the Bitcoin price, it's been chopping up and down for the last a week or such, as it concluded its big down move down to about 6,100 on August the 8th. So there's 7 days, green candle up, red down, making it up again, down a bit a couple days ago, and is now rallied close to the 6,400, is now starting to touch this 18 average. When we look at this on a 400-minute time frame, the rate of descent most certainly making a change, as this is where it last fell from, that move, which went straight down along the way, resisting this area, continuing this down move, and well, the 18 has just started to go sideways. So that is showing more. It's ended that of the downward movement, but in a pause sort of situation. Thus, there hasn't been any great rallies within this time frame. Still, a lot of empty space in here, which are the areas it would rally towards if it's going to maintain where it stands, get above, and start a rally. Could be a bear market rally. The 6,000 area has been very interesting as far as how well and how often it has been holding of that in the support realm, and it will continue to do so until it doesn't, meaning it breaks below, or until it leaves that area and 6,000 area is long gone. But of course, it came down there in February. It did so in April. It did so again at the end of June, and it's doing it now. So this is like a fourth test of this support level. Price action amongst this. I wanted to see it find support in the 18. It still could eventually get back in there, but this is one of the spots the market will make its moves as it does. You could say that this is looking very bearish. It's going to go to 3, and it might. For myself, I got a buy order ready to go in at that area. If it does, then I'll get the Bitcoin forward and buy altcoins with the situation. That's my risk reward plan. Markets, of course, are just going to have those sort of moves. Like yesterday, this thing just started going as from the, let's just take a look at this on a single hour time frame, just so I don't have to see as many periods. But from the down move, we've seen the price go to the low 5,900s, and everything else was going down like major moves, like 18, 20% down among the altcoins. And then it just rallies up to this point on the this situation here of the price getting above the 18, and then successfully finding support amongst that area. And since it has broken this established resistance, it has had another good leg higher. It's in the correctionary phase, and it's exiting such, as we can see that just the previous three periods really, price action staying within the 18 after making this high at 64.84 earlier this morning, and potentially ready to have a nice move. We can see it's like leaving the 18. It's at the highs of the period with 11 minutes left. If we look at this, say, on a 15-minute time frame, the price action is also leaving its 18 as well. So there's definitely a reason that this thing could continue to move further. It's in the short-term bull market. Of course, daily term, it's very much in a cautious bear market with, of course, room upside to fill some of this empty space, as talked about. On the weekly time frame, it's practically neutral, because a great up move, and yes, you have a declining 18 average, but it's not making lower lows, and it hasn't had any significantly large breaks. In fact, you got talk about, okay, well, there's the establishing of support back to the band. It really hasn't breaking that area out. It's just lacking, of course, the lower highs, but you're having a correctionary move going down and sideways mainly after the monstrous move. And of course, on the monthly time frame, it's still in a correctionary mode within its 18 that it broke out from near the end of 2015. Thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great day. Bye bye.